Congratulations, you've made it to the end of our first course on JavaScript. I hope you've had a lot of fun with it. And I hope you've had fun doing it with me while I stand outside here in California on this beautiful day, not that many miles away from where JavaScript was invented over 25 years ago. But JavaScript's a lot of fun and you've learned a lot, so you should give yourself a pat on the back, and I hope you're excited about the projects we've done so far. Also, I hope you realize that there's a lot more to learn about JavaScript and that you'll join us in the next course in the specialization where we get into jQuery and we look at some of the cool things that we can do with the jQuery library and some of the cool interactions that we can make. So thank you for coming along this far, and I hope to see you in the next course. Hello, my name is Bill Mead, and I'm back again for our second course on JavaScript in our JavaScript specialization. Hopefully you finished the first course. In the first course, we covered a lot of basics, learned a lot about the syntax of JavaScript, and got a lot of really great practice and built some fun projects. This course, we're going to take it even further. We'll introduce the jQuery library, we'll build some more complex scripts, and we'll really build up your skills in JavaScript. So break out your code editor and let's get started in the second course on JavaScript.